Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. After that, you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now tap on I accept in this pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time though, select Set Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and pick if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!